Improving your English speaking skills is a rewarding journey that can open doors to new opportunities, enrich your understanding of different cultures, and enhance your personal and professional life. As you embark on this path, it's essential to approach it with a blend of motivation, structured practice, and a willingness to explore various techniques. This comprehensive guide will delve deeper into strategies for improving your English speaking skills, ensuring that you have the tools and insights necessary for success. To start, the concept of immersion in the language cannot be overstated. Immersion involves surrounding yourself with English in diverse contexts, allowing the language to become a natural part of your daily life. Beyond listening to podcasts or watching movies, consider incorporating English into your routine in creative ways. Label items around your house in English, such as door, window, and refrigerator. This visual reinforcement helps you associate words with their meanings in your environment. Another effective immersion strategy is to create a language-rich environment. Dedicate a space in your home where you can engage with English materials, books, magazines, or articles. Set aside time each day to read aloud from these materials, focusing on pronunciation and intonation. You might also consider using apps that encourage daily vocabulary practice, such as flashcard apps or language games. Engaging with the language consistently, even in small doses, contributes to gradual but steady improvement. Engaging with native speakers is a vital aspect of language learning. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers in your community or online. Language exchange websites can connect you with individuals who are interested in practicing their English while helping you with your language. During these exchanges, you can discuss topics of mutual interest, share cultural insights, and learn from one another. This reciprocal learning environment fosters a sense of community and provides valuable real-world practice. To further enhance your speaking skills, consider enrolling in classes or workshops focused on conversational English. These settings provide structured learning opportunities where you can practice speaking in a supportive atmosphere. Many language schools offer classes tailored to specific goals, such as business English or public speaking. Participating in these programs allows you to receive expert feedback and guidance, helping you refine your skills effectively. Another strategy for improving your speaking abilities is to set clear and achievable goals. Goal setting provides direction and motivation, allowing you to track your progress over time. Begin by identifying specific areas you want to focus on, such as improving your pronunciation, expanding your vocabulary, or enhancing your fluency. Break down these goals into smaller, actionable steps. For instance, if you want to improve your pronunciation, you might set a goal to practice specific sounds or phrases for a few minutes each day. As you work towards these goals, consider keeping a language journal. In this journal, you can document your daily speaking practice, noting what you've accomplished and areas that need improvement. Reflecting on your experiences can provide insights into your progress and help you identify patterns in your learning. This self-reflection fosters a sense of accountability and encourages you to stay committed to your goals. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial for effective communication. One effective way to do this is by reading a diverse range of materials. Explore fiction, non-fiction, news articles, and academic texts. Each genre introduces you to different styles of writing and vocabulary. As you read, underline or highlight unfamiliar words, and take the time to look them up. Create flashcards with these words and review them regularly to reinforce your memory. In addition to traditional reading, consider exploring audiobooks. Listening to audiobooks while following along with the text can enhance your comprehension and pronunciation. Choose books that interest you, whether they're classic literature or contemporary works. As you listen, Pay attention to the narrator's pacing and expression. This practice not only improves your listening skills but also exposes you to new vocabulary and context. To further enhance your vocabulary acquisition, engage in thematic learning. Choose a specific topic that interests you, such as travel, technology, or health, and explore various materials related to the theme. Watch documentaries, read articles, and listen to podcasts on that subject. This focused approach allows you to learn vocabulary and phrases relevant to a particular context, making it easier to recall and use in conversations. Thinking in English is a powerful strategy that can significantly enhance your fluency. As you practice, try to translate your thoughts into English instead of relying on your native language. Begin with simple sentences, gradually increasing complexity as you become more comfortable. This practice helps you develop a more instinctive grasp of the language, enabling you to respond quickly in conversations. Incorporating storytelling into your speaking practice can also boost your confidence and creativity. Storytelling is an engaging way to practice your speaking skills while allowing your personality to shine through. Begin by recounting personal experiences or creating fictional stories. Focus on using descriptive language, varying your sentence structures, and engaging your audience. This exercise not only helps you practice speaking but also encourages you to think critically about language and expression. As you work on your speaking skills, don't underestimate the importance of body language. Effective communication goes beyond words. Your nonverbal cues can convey confidence and clarity. Practice speaking in front of a mirror to observe your gestures and facial expressions. Ensure that your body language matches your message, maintaining eye contact, using appropriate gestures, and exhibiting an open posture can enhance your overall communication. Another avenue to explore is joining public speaking organizations such as Toastmasters. These clubs provide a supportive environment where you can practice public speaking, receive constructive feedback, and develop your leadership skills. Engaging in structured speeches and impromptu speaking exercises builds confidence and hones your ability to articulate thoughts clearly. To further develop your listening skills, practice active listening during conversations. Focus on the speaker, avoiding distractions, and demonstrate your engagement through nodding or verbal affirmations. Asking follow-up questions shows that you're invested in the conversation and encourages deeper discussions. Active listening not only improves your comprehension but also enhances your speaking skills as you become more attuned to conversational nuances. While practicing speaking, remember to embrace the learning process and maintain a positive mindset. Language learning is a gradual journey, and setbacks are part of the experience. Instead of viewing mistakes as failures, consider them valuable learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, identify the root cause, and develop strategies to improve. This growth mindset fosters resilience and encourages you to persevere in your language learning endeavors. To cultivate this mindset, consider incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine. Mindfulness can help reduce anxiety and improve focus, enabling you to approach conversations with a calm and open attitude. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or visualization can help you center yourself before speaking engagements. By practicing mindfulness, you create a mental space that allows for greater clarity and confidence in your communication. Exploring cultural aspects of language is another enriching facet of improving your English speaking skills. Understanding the cultural context in which English is spoken can enhance your communication abilities. Dive into English literature, film, and art to gain insights into different cultures. This cultural knowledge not only informs your language use but also helps you navigate social interactions more effectively. Participating in cultural events, both online and in your local community, can provide valuable opportunities to practice speaking in a real-world context. Attend workshops, lectures, or festivals that celebrate English-speaking cultures. Engaging with diverse communities exposes you to different perspectives and enriches your understanding of the language. Networking with other language learners can also be beneficial. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups dedicated to English language learning. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes with others can foster a sense of camaraderie and motivation. In these supportive environments, you can ask questions, exchange tips, and celebrate each other's achievements. As you progress in your language learning journey, consider exploring advanced resources to challenge yourself. Delve into academic journals, professional publications, or specialized literature in areas of interest. Engaging with these materials exposes you to higher-level vocabulary and concepts, enhancing your overall proficiency. This exploration not only sharpens your language skills but also broadens your knowledge base. In addition, consider developing a routine that incorporates a variety of speaking practice activities. For instance, you might set aside time each day for different types of practice. Dedicate some time to engaging in conversations with language partners, practicing pronunciation drills, and storytelling. Mixing different activities keeps your learning experience dynamic and prevents monotony. Moreover, remember to incorporate technology into your practice. Use language learning apps that provide interactive exercises, vocabulary quizzes, and pronunciation feedback. These tools can make your learning process more engaging and allow for self-paced practice. Additionally, consider using social media platforms to follow English-speaking influencers or participate in language challenges. Engaging with real-time content can expose you to contemporary language use and trends. As you continue your journey, be open to experimenting with different learning techniques. Everyone has unique learning preferences, so explore various methods to find what resonates with you. Whether it's through visual aids, auditory materials, or kinesthetic activities, discovering your preferred learning style can enhance your effectiveness in improving your speaking skills. In addition, explore creative outlets to express yourself in English. Engaging in activities such as writing, blogging, or creating videos can enhance your language skills while allowing you to share your thoughts and experiences. These creative endeavors encourage you to think critically about language and develop your voice. Sharing your work with others can also provide valuable feedback and foster a sense of community. As you embark on more public speaking opportunities, consider seeking out feedback from trusted peers or mentors. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your speaking style. Encourage honest evaluations of your speaking engagements, focusing on aspects such as clarity, engagement, and pacing. Use this feedback to set new goals and continue evolving as a speaker. Furthermore, explore opportunities to volunteer or engage in community service. Many organizations seek individuals who can assist with English language programs or community outreach initiatives. Volunteering allows you to practice speaking in a supportive environment while contributing positively to your community. This experience can enhance your language skills and provide a sense of fulfillment and connection. Additionally, remember the significance of self-care in your learning journey. Balancing your language practice with relaxation and leisure activities is crucial for maintaining motivation and avoiding burnout. Engage in hobbies that bring you joy, whether it's reading, gardening, or exploring nature. Taking breaks and allowing yourself downtime can recharge your mind, fostering a positive attitude towards learning. As you continue to refine your English speaking skills, reflect on your journey regularly. Celebrate milestones, whether big or small, and acknowledge your growth. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Keep a positive outlook, and remind yourself of the reasons you embarked on this journey. Whether it's for personal fulfillment, career advancement, or building connections, staying connected to your motivations will sustain your drive. Lastly, as you progress, consider how you can give back to others on a similar journey. Share your insights, tips, and experiences with fellow language learners. You might start a blog, create a YouTube channel, or join online forums to connect with others. By sharing your knowledge and experiences, you not only reinforce your learning but also inspire and support others in their language journeys. In conclusion, improving your English speaking skills is a multifaceted journey that requires dedication, practice, and a willingness to explore various strategies. From immersing yourself in the language to engaging with native speakers, expanding your vocabulary, and cultivating a positive mindset, every step you take contributes to your growth as a speaker. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your achievements, knowing that each interaction and practice session brings you closer to fluency. Stay curious, adaptable, and motivated, and you'll find that your English speaking skills will flourish over time. Remember, this journey is not just about language, it's about connection, understanding, and the joy of communication.